you can just take the seat base with the middle strap, as you can see, is still attached. So you can just take the seat base and push it forward and get it up out of the way. Now, next thing I'm gonna do, I've run my SoundSkins project and really improved this car as far as road noise. Make sure to check out that video. But in this case, I'm gonna skip ahead quickly on that because you may or may not have that done. So I'm gonna take my knife and just cut a disc here out of my SoundSkin so I can take that and lift it up and away. And we'll get to the top of the fuel pressure, or the fuel pump, which I'll show you what that looks like. Now, of course, if you don't have the SoundSkins, you won't have to cut that out. So normally I can cut out this material and lay it back, but in this case, it's stuck down really, really well. So I'm gonna go ahead and just cut a shape around. Most of you will not have that same first step like I do, but at the same time, again, make sure to check this out because this makes a tremendous difference in the car. I've actually cut out 10 decibels of road noise in the car, which is huge. But so you've got your cover here with 4 10mm nuts on them, so go ahead and just take off those, and then you'll lift this cover off. We may end up having to clean underneath this as well, but let's go ahead and get this cover off, and I'll show you what that looks like next. All right, so once you have those 4 nuts off, you can go ahead and just get underneath this and lift the cover. You probably have a little bit of a seal right here, as you can see with mine is already starting to come off. And you can see where the control line essentially is plugged in. So we're gonna wanna do a couple of things at this stage. One, we're gonna wanna go ahead and unplug this so we can get this cover up and out of the way. You can see your fuel line coming in here as well. And the other thing you can see is it's really dirty.